Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. Yesterday we saw a Indian rupee which was largely flat, though it started the day with the gains on the back of some support for the domestic equity markets and some strong FII inflows. But towards the end of the day, due to a weaker than expected euro against the US dollar, we saw the Indian rupee also give up all its gains intraday. Towards the end of the day, when the equity markets closed, we saw the rupee weakened by around 20 paise. Yesterday overnight we had the US PMI data which came in much better than expected. Due to this, we had a risk on sentiment developing in the markets, and based on this risk on rally, we had the Indian rupee also open strong today in the morning session. But yes, intraday, as we have the European data coming out, we are seeing slight weakness in the Indian rupee against the US dollar. Currently the level of 55.20 in spot seems to be a very crucial level, and we recommend a sell with a stop loss of that level at current market timing. Also, the global sentiments remain in the favor of high risk assets, and due to this we could see further rally in the Indian rupee against the US dollar. Coming to the European front, we had the European PMI data yesterday from all the major European countries, which largely disappointed. Due to this, we had a weaker euro trading in the markets yesterday. This also affected the Indian rupee to weaken to a certain extent. Yes, but overnight, as we had the ISM manufacturing data from US coming in much better than expected, the rally again continued for the euro. Today, we expect the euro to remain under pressure till the Italian elections come out and the results are out again. Yes, this political turmoil is expected to create more uncertainty in the Eurozone. Though we have the ECB meet tomorrow, there is not much outcome expected from the same, and at most the traders are expecting some guidance based on continuation of the OMT program, as after the elections the Italian bond prices have increased to a greater extent. Currently we recommend a sell in Euro INR below 71.70 levels in the March contract. Coming to pound has remained largely weak, so we are not seeing much downside in the pound against the USD. But yes, if we have slightly positive news, we could see it rally to a greater extent as compared to downside movement. We had the UK PMI data yesterday which came in much better than expected. Based on this UK PMI data, we saw the pound rally by around 40 to 50 pips within minutes. Today we had the UK housing price index data which came in much better than expected. Due to this housing price data, we saw the pound rally slightly against the US dollar and against the Indian rupee as well, but the rally did not sustain to a great extent. We have a statement from Bank of England Governor Mervyn King, but there is not much movement expected till then. If we have some exceptional statements from therein, we could see movement in the pound against the Indian rupee. We recommend a strong sell below 83.12 in the March contract for the pound. Coming to Japanese yen, the yen is expected to move on the US data to a great extent. After the positive US data, despite the risk on sentiments developing in the markets, we saw the Japanese yen rally. This was mainly because we had the Japanese institutional investors buying a lot of Japanese yen, despite there being strong speculation that the new governor will bring in much more easing and the Japanese yen value will fall to meet the inflation targets. But the institutional buying was that strong that we actually saw the Japanese yen rally against the US dollar intraday. Currently we recommend a sell till in the Japanese yen, as we have the Bank of Japan policy meeting also tomorrow, but not much is expected from there on. No major statement, no major policy decision until the new governor actually steps in. We recommend a sell below 58.93 levels in the Japanese yen against the Indian rupee. Thank you.